Hello everybody, I am here today and I am doing an updated closet tour. I think this is my third closet tour, but today I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I'm actually going to show you a lot of the pieces in my closet. So I actually have 3 separate closets. I know it's a lot. Please don't judge me. This right here is all of my vintage. So this is all just hung up in my spare room. And then next to that is an actual closet. And then in my actual bedroom is a double tier closet. That doesn't count all my shoes. If you guys want to see my shoe collection, that's going to be in another video coming, I think later this week, maybe next week. It's a lot of work to show all of my shoes one by one, but I'm going to do an updated shoe video as well because I do have a pretty intense shoe collection, and so that kind of stands alone as its own video. So I will show you guys that next. But today I'm going to show you some of my favorite pieces from my closet. So I'm going to show you some of my favorite pieces. My skirts are kind of hard to get down, but here's one. This is a vintage skirt. It is vintage and it has glitter and it is still in working condition, which is a rare find for vintage. It's actually also flocked with velvet, which is probably kind of hard to see in this video. But this is one of my favorite skirts. It's a full circle. It's got taffeta underneath it. Makes a good swishing sound. It's really good for dancing. Really bad for hanging. It does not want to stay on this hanger. Funny story about this skirt. I actually had to be cut out of it one year at Viva because the zipper jammed when I went to take it off at the end of the night, and I just got it repaired and it was broke like a couple years ago. Oh my god, what is happening? Stay. Okay, so here's another skirt. I could just do a quote. So this is another one. I love sparkles. This is a Mexican circle skirt that's covered in sequins. Again, it's a full circle. It looks so beautiful when you're dancing. I like colors. When you see my actual closet, you'll see there's not a lot of color, but when it comes to vintage, I love colors. I love tropical colors. This one you've probably seen in my videos. It's actually sharing a hanger with another dress. This one is red and beautiful. Actually, the one behind it is beautiful as well. It has a little gold leaf on it. I love red. Anything that is red and tulle or netted. And if it sparkles, even better. And this one does sparkle. So I'm probably going to show you most of my sparkly stuff just because that's the stuff that's my favorite. Oh, this dress. If anybody has my original book, Dollface Vintage, this is the dress I'm wearing on the cover. This is actually one of my favorite vintage dresses. It just fits so well. That's the thing about vintage dresses. They were so flattering to the body. This is another one of my favorites. I've actually worn this to Viva a few times, and I'll probably wear it a few more times. This is another sparkly. It's black taffeta, and they're actually little beaded rhinestones. It's velvet. The dark black is velvet. That's so beautiful. This is another one of my favorites. I just love the sparkles. This is a beautiful 50s wiggle dress, and it has this beading on it that is just incredible. It's so sparkly. It rubs my armpits weird, so I don't love wearing it for a long time, but I've worked crap out of it for pictures. This was my Saturday Viva dress for this year. Obviously didn't get a chance to wear it, but it has a neck strap that comes across the front of the neck, which is really unique. And it, again, is sparkly. This is covered in gold sequins, and this black part is actually velvet, and the whole skirt is just covered in sequins. This is a dress I likely will never wear again, but I can't get rid of it because it's so beautiful. This is a modern dress. It's by a company called Chatronet. It is basically like a tea dress. You can actually wear this for a wedding as well. They make these beautiful dresses that have flowers inside of them. Oh, my life is hell. How do I get you back up? So that's some of my vintage. Now let's go into my normal closet. So I know it probably seems like I'm rushing through this, but I have a lot of clothes and I don't want this video to be 87 minutes long. So I'm just kind of picking my favorites. So in my closet here, I'll give you a little close-up here of what it looks like on the inside, but I have a lot of hats, which I need to put more nails in here because I don't have enough nails for my hats and they always fall. And I keep my purses in this closet as well. But this is also where I keep my jackets. This is probably my favorite jacket. This is by Bar 3. Yeah, Bar 3. It's a pink leather jacket. It's a pink pleather jacket. It's not real leather. And it has studs, and I love it. And it's really hot, so I hardly ever wear it. But when I get to wear it, it is a very happy occasion. This is another one I hardly ever wear. It's by Sourpuss Clothing. It's just a cute little mod dress. It's really form-fitting. I don't wear tight stuff very often. The tightest I do is probably like the waist I'm wearing right now. So I love this dress. This is just a dress I bought at Plato's Closet when I was in Colorado. It's just like a really cool palm print lace, and the back is see-through, so you can see my whole back, which is cool because I have my back tattooed. So I wear this when I go like goth dancing. Not really like a wear to church kind of dress. Ooh, this dress I love. This is by Hellbunny, which is the same brand I'm wearing right now. I love that they do these neckties on their dresses and they're tied with velvet. It's kind of like Catholic imagery, so it's kind of like a little Sacred Heart, and this part is velvet on both sides, and then this is velvet as well, so it's just really real party. Here's another Hellbunny dress that's velvet. This is just a black sort of gothy dress. This dress I love. This is by Vixen by Michelline Pitt, and it is green velvet, and it sucks all the stuff in here. As you can see, this waist is much smaller than my actual waist because it actually sucks in my waist and gives me some curves because I'm really straight. I'm kind of have a boyish body, so I love the curves that this gives me. And it comes with a belt, but it's somewhere on my bedroom floor, or I don't know. I'm not very good at keeping belts in order. Oh, here's another Hellbunny dress. This one I wore for my book release, my live virtual book release that I did, and a lot of people love this dress. It actually has tiger print on it, which I think is kind of funny given the whole Tiger King thing, because this dress actually came out before that happened, and I happened to wear it the week that came out before I had seen it, and people like freaked out. This dress you guys just saw me wear in my What's My Future Holding video. A lot of people asked about it. This is also Hellbunny. Really cute, really form-fitting. I have a lot of Hellbunny dresses in here. Hellbunny sends me stuff to wear in my pictures and stuff, and it's just stuff that I really like. I've gotten rid of a lot of stuff over the years, but Hellbunny is one of those brands I hold on to their things. This is another Hellbunny. This is my favorite Halloween dress. If you guys see every year as soon as October rolls around, I wear this. Not only does it have the cutest crocheted collar, but look at the print. It's the cutest Halloween print. I know you can wear Halloween year round, but this feels like way too Halloween-y to wear year round. This is another brand I love. This is Heart of Hope. They used to be called Heartbreaker. This dress I love because, again, the fabric, it's actually little gold fans, and the gold is metallic. So I don't know if you can see on the camera, but this is one of those dresses that the hanger doesn't do it justice. It just looks so good on your body. Here's another Vixen by Michelline Pitt. This is another one, sucks you in really well. It looks really cute on the hanger, but it looks so much cuter in person. It's just like a little sundress, and it comes with a belt. I love that all of her dresses come with belts. And lastly, the last thing I'm going to show you in here, this is from Unique Vintage. This is one of my favorites. You guys have probably seen my little 20s photo shoot I did with this. It's like a fringy flapper dress, but again, it is so sparkly. Ooh, I love it. I love sparkles. Let's move to my other closet because I have so many more things to show you. Okay, so this is my other closet. This is in my actual bedroom, and this is my short stuff. My other closets are for things that are long and hanging. So this is all basically shirts, sweaters, tank tops, a few jackets. I am really a stickler for organizing things by color. If you can see, I'll do a close-up on everything. I also organize by type. So here it's tank tops, t-shirts, blouses, sweaters, cardigans, which is a lot of that. Then 3/4 sleeve cardigans, button-down shirts, Fred Perry's, and then these are all my pin-uppy shirts. So anything that is like cutesy bootsy, waist tie, halter, any of that kind of thing, anything that I would wear with like a pencil skirt goes up there. So like I said, I don't really dress pin up like every single day, so I like to keep that stuff separate so when I'm going on a tour or when I'm doing an event, it's easier for me to pick stuff out. So let's show you some of these things because I feel like this is the cuter stuff. I'm sure you guys saw this in my video. This is my little Hellbunny shirt. If you can see, it has a little heart and it's a net. You can see through it, which is perfect for me because I have a heart tattoo on my chest, so it kind of sits right in the center, which is really cute. This is probably one of my favorite vintage tops. It is missing a button, which is really sad, and I washed it on accident so it shrunk a little bit, but I still love it. It's really cute. The problem with these vintage shirts, especially these ones that are shirts, not sweaters, they're made of this like wool acrylic material, and they stink. When your armpit sweats into this sucker, it does not smell good, and they're hard to wash. This is another Hellbunny, which is another one of my favorite shirts, and the reason why is because not only is it covered with wiener dogs, But the collar is a wiener dog. It's so freaking cute. You've probably seen me wear this in my videos. Oh, this one is a pretty one. This is by Collectif. I have a few pieces by Collectif, a few dresses too. I just happen to not pull them out of my closet. But this one's really pretty. It's just like a classic cherry blossom print. I like the cut of Collectif's shirts. They are very flattering. So now we are into my polos, which are pretty much all Fred Perry's. Fred Perry's are my jam. This one's probably my favorite. I think I actually just made a video wearing it. It's a polka dot shirt. One of my first dates with Jimmy, I wore this guy. And I also love this one. This is my little treasure because the collar is gold, and you guys by now should know, watching this video, how much I love gold and sparkly things. So all of these shirts are by a company called Relco London. If you've seen me wear any kind of plaid button-down shirt where I button it all the way to the top, this was like a mod company in the 60s that made their comeback. No, not Relco. Brutus was the mod company that made their comeback from the 60s, but this kind of style started in the 60s, and I really, really love it. I love the button-down shirt. They make all kinds of different plaids. They make ginghams, which are also really cute. This one's probably my favorite of the gingham because it's like a oxblood color. I love maroons. I love oxbloods. When you guys see my shoe collection, you'll see I have a lot of shoes in that oxblood color. And then we have some cardigans. Probably my favorite cardigans here are by Mischief made, which I have my cardigan with them too, but she just makes really cute cardigans with really cute patterns on them. These are little umbrellas. This is my rainy day cardigan. I always feel silly wearing this on sunny days because it does have umbrellas on it, but it's 3/4 sleeve, so you can wear it year round. And then of course, my sweater with Mischief made. This is the Cherry Dollface music sweater. Super cute. I'm not much of a pink girl, but I love this blush color. And then the one I wear probably the most of Mischief made is this one, obviously just because it's black, but it's the Spiderweb Sweater. She makes this in a couple of colors, but black is my favorite, and I like the gothiness of it. It sings to my heart. These are vintage shoes, so all of my vintage pairs of shoes I put in here because all my other shoes are out just in the air and they collect dust really fast. And a lot of these vintage shoes are made of suede, and once they get dusty, they're really hard to clean. Oh, this shirt. So I just got this shirt at Ross. It was just super cheap. It was like 10 bucks. Probably I'll have also seen this in my videos. It's just an off-brand flower and feather, but people asked a lot about this shirt, and that's where I got it. I have a lot of basic t-shirts, like just solid colored t-shirts, so those are super boring. This is another one I got just at Ross. It's just a really pretty blouse. It has a really pretty pattern and really pretty texture. It's actually not my size, it's bigger than me. I wear a small and this is a medium, but because it's a blouse and it's flowy, who cares? You can wear things that are baggy. Here's another really cute Hellbunny shirt. This is just a little short sleeve sweater. It's got little baddies on it. I love little baddies. Also too, just so you know, I have dressers. I have a dresser in that room you just saw in the video. I have a dresser right over here, and then I have drawers underneath my bed. So I also have places for, I have a whole drawer of bathing suits, I have a whole drawer of stockings, a whole drawer of scarves. All these drawers are like pajamas, underwear, workout clothes, lingerie. Then the drawers under my bed are jeans, skirts and shorts, and then like casual tank tops and shirts. Those are my like everyday things. So most of what's in my closets are more fancy occasion things, and cardigans, because cardigans are kind of a pain to fold. This is another Hellbunny. I feel like this is becoming an ad for Hellbunny. I swear this is not a sponsored video. I just own a lot of Hellbunny. I would say out of all of the like vintage-ish brands, Hellbunny is probably my favorite. Really cute. I also just love that Hellbunny does like dark gothy stuff too, as well as the pinup stuff. This is just a black lace shirt. I love black. I love lace. I love to be dark and creepy. My outside matches my inside. This is another Hellbunny shirt. It actually ties at the neck and it's velvet and it has big bell sleeves. They're actually kind of see-through. This is another shirt. It's so hot to wear, but it's so cute. I love this shirt. I wish it was a little bit cooler here more often. This sweater, I actually got this at Target years ago. I get more comments when I make Instagram posts wearing this dang baddie sweater than anything else I wear. Target, they don't make it anymore, it's Target. My favorite cardigan, I have two of them in the same color. This is my Voodoo Vixen. I wear this probably more than anything. It's just a good leopard, but it's a good leopard, and it's hard to find good leopards, so that's why I have two of them in the same color. Couple Fred Perry cardigans. I love Fred Perry. It's so expensive. I had a gal actually that followed me that lived in London, and she hooked me up with her discount, which was super awesome when I was there a couple of years ago. So I got a couple of really good things. These are all just black cardigans. I have a lot of black cardigans. And then I have a couple of vests. This is my little English beat vest. This is when I'm feeling a little punky. And then this is just a Levi's vest. I don't really wear vests that much anymore. That was, I don't know, style. That was what I was rocking when I was younger. But that is it. That is my closet. Those are my favorite pieces from my closet. Sorry I didn't go through my drawers. It would just make this video way too long. Plus I need to sweep, and I don't want to show you my dust bunnies and my dirty shame. So, and I have hair all over me. I haven't worn my hair down in so long. I just brush it and I feel like I just have hair all over my life. First world problems. That's it. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to check out my updated shoe video because I do have some amazing pairs of shoes. I will be showing you all of these in more detail, and you want to see these vintage pairs of shoes. So definitely subscribe to check it out. Let me know if you want to see more closet videos or more style videos or specific types of style videos. I would be happy to oblige. Otherwise, I will see you next time, and have a great day.